So it's day, I don't know, what day is it? How many days have we lived here? No, it is day 12.
Oh.
So it's day 12. We've been here 13 days. We're at Luke's work's Christmas party. Sorry about the lighting. So yeah, so here we are. Here is your son slash nephew slash family member, uncle. And we're on a boat, as you can see. We're in the ocean. Well, we're in the bay, I think.
Queen Mary.
Oh yeah, there's the Queen Mary, which we're gonna go to at some point. But yeah, so here we are, and we'll see you guys real soon.
We were in like the comedy club area watching this whole helicopter.
That is a man-made island. So is that one.
Because the comedy club was all at the back, so it's the swells.
Here we are.
I was afraid of it. Like me and her both got to the point where like,
Hi guys.
let's go back to the room just in case, because it was getting I can't even imagine it. Oh yeah.
That's Slug Beach. There's the Queen Mary where we just left from.
I was like, where'd everybody go?
Alright, here's that same view earlier. That's the Queen Mary. See if I can zoom in.
And then Carrie's like, I'm coming home, and it's like dark. It's about time.
That's the Queen Mary.
Right? Well, she's usually done by.
The reflection. How amazing this camera is. Look how bright that is.
Yeah. Look at the halo and everything. Looks fucking great, babe.
Right?
Shoot a couple stills too.
I'm gonna.